2025 Courtyard Garden Oasis, creating timeless harmony through seamless elegant indoor-outdoor living. Welcome to Decor Essence, a place where timeless design meets everyday inspiration. This channel is dedicated to exploring the beauty of home decor, blending warmth, elegance, and ideas that truly enrich daily living. For those who believe a home should not only be functional but also a sanctuary of peace, here is where creativity and comfort come together. Each video is crafted to inspire graceful living, thoughtful design, and meaningful connection to space. Today's journey is especially captivating, as it unveils the 2025 Courtyard Garden Oasis, creating timeless harmony through seamless, elegant indoor-outdoor living that nurtures balance and serenity. A warm welcome to your next design journey. In a world where life often feels hurried and crowded, the home becomes a sanctuary of comfort, calm, and meaning. The idea of transforming a simple courtyard into a serene retreat resonates deeply with those who value timeless beauty and restorative living. This journey begins with an exploration of spaces that dissolve the barriers between indoors and outdoors, allowing nature to become part of daily life. A courtyard garden oasis in 2025 is more than design. It is a philosophy of harmony, where elegant indoor-outdoor living elevates both style and well-being, offering balance that feels enduring and restorative. Why we all crave harmony in our homes. Harmony within the home is no longer just about pleasing interiors, it reflects the human desire for balance, peace, and emotional grounding. When daily routines demand much, a space that nurtures calm becomes essential. A courtyard garden answers this longing by weaving together greenery, light, and open air with comfort and shelter. The blend creates timeless serenity, reminding inhabitants of childhood gardens or cherished holidays in nature. Such environments are not only visually soothing but also emotionally restorative, aligning with the rhythm of seasons and fostering spaces that feel nurturing, elegant, and intimately connected to the natural world. The magic of indoor-outdoor living. Indoor-outdoor living brings the timeless allure of nature directly into daily life, blurring distinctions between walls and gardens. Expansive glass doors, sliding panels, and floor-to-ceiling windows open the home to breezes, sunlight, and calming views. This way of living celebrates a symbiotic relationship between human habitation and natural surroundings. It is not simply architectural innovation, it is a lifestyle that restores connection to the earth. By embracing outdoor dining terraces, quiet nooks for reading, or sunlit paths framed by greenery, homes achieve an atmosphere where tranquility meets modern comfort, creating sanctuaries that encourage wellness, relaxation, and deeper appreciation for nature. Courtyard gardens, private oases of peace. At the heart of this concept lies the courtyard garden, a space both secluded and embracing. Nestled within surrounding walls, it becomes a retreat where blossoms scent the air and leaves whisper softly in the breeze. This private garden oasis offers refuge from city noise or daily demands, creating moments of stillness within reach of a bedroom or living room. Whether expansive or modest, such a courtyard transforms into a canvas of tranquility, designed for morning reflection, afternoon gatherings, or quiet evening stargazing. It becomes a personal sanctuary, tailored to lifestyle and spirit, where serenity is always close at hand. Blurring boundaries between indoors and outdoors. Modern design celebrates the seamless transition from interior to exterior, where walls become windows and windows transform into doorways. With a single movement, a living room expands into a lush courtyard, erasing the traditional boundary between home and garden. Light-filled spaces breathe with fresh air, and every glance reveals greenery that feels part of the architecture itself. Flooring choices such as stone and wood extend outdoors, reinforcing continuity and connection. This thoughtful blending of materials, structure, and view does more than beautify. It cultivates a daily rhythm that flows gracefully between private comfort and nature's restorative embrace. Designing with nature, the beauty of biophilic living. Biophilic design brings natural elements into the built environment, elevating spaces from functional to restorative. Courtyard gardens exemplify this principle, incorporating living walls, gentle water features, and organic textures that soothe body and mind. Stone paths underfoot, sunlight filtering through foliage, and the presence of birds or butterflies create sensory richness within the home. Such design choices are not decorative indulgences, they actively support health, lowering stress and encouraging joy in everyday life. This connection nurtures both spirit and physical well-being, making the courtyard garden oasis not only beautiful but also a deeply nourishing part of modern living. Outdoor rooms that feel like home. Outdoor rooms extend living beyond four walls, creating comfortable areas that feel as inviting as traditional interiors. Covered patios, dining terraces, and open-air lounges serve as natural extensions of kitchens and living rooms. Furnishings designed for weather resilience yet styled with softness make these spaces perfect for long conversations, relaxed reading, or celebratory meals. The beauty lies in versatility: an al fresco breakfast, a shaded afternoon retreat, or an intimate evening under lantern light. These outdoor rooms merge daily routines with nature's rhythm, transforming ordinary moments into memorable experiences that balance elegance, comfort, and timeless outdoor living. How to design your courtyard garden oasis. Designing a courtyard garden oasis begins with honoring lifestyle, preferences, and available space. Every courtyard, large or small, can be transformed into a haven when shaped thoughtfully. Planning zones is essential, one for relaxation, another for dining, and perhaps a corner for reflection or meditation. Proportions matter, with pathways guiding movement and focal points drawing the eye. Materials chosen should harmonize with existing architecture while remaining practical for maintenance. Ultimately, a courtyard design is personal yet timeless, a reflection of character and values. When carefully balanced, it becomes an oasis that feels both stylish and deeply connected to the rhythms of nature. Maximizing small or large spaces with purpose. Space, whether generous or compact, holds potential for beauty when treated with intention. Large courtyards allow for layered greenery, multiple seating zones, and striking water features, while smaller ones shine through creative use of planters, vertical gardens, and reflective surfaces. Mirrors, climbing vines, and carefully scaled furniture visually expand intimate areas, ensuring no inch is wasted. The key lies in thoughtful proportion and purpose, where every element serves function and feeling. A well-planned courtyard of any size nurtures balance, proving that tranquility is not determined by square footage but by the harmony created within the available space. Choosing greenery that thrives and comforts. Plants are the heart of a courtyard oasis, offering fragrance, texture, and seasonal rhythm. Selecting greenery suited to climate and light ensures vibrancy year-round. A mix of shrubs, flowering perennials, and graceful trees introduces layers of color and shade, while vines soften walls and hanging baskets add charm overhead. The thoughtful inclusion of herbs or edibles can bring both beauty and utility, enriching daily life. Beyond aesthetics, greenery enhances mood, purifies air, and fosters a sense of belonging to nature's cycles. This careful selection ensures the courtyard remains not only elegant but also practical, sustainable, and alive with energy. Adding water, light, and soulful ambience. A courtyard achieves timeless harmony when water and light elevate its spirit. Fountains, gentle streams, or reflective pools add calming sound and movement, inviting relaxation while attracting birds and butterflies. Lighting extends enjoyment into evening hours, where soft lanterns, subtle uplighting, or twinkling pathways create intimate atmospheres. Furnishings layered with cushions, throws, and natural textures add warmth, while decorative accents express personality and artistry. Together, these elements transform the courtyard into a multisensory experience, offering not just visual delight but also emotional comfort. This balance of ambience ensures that the oasis becomes a cherished retreat, alive with elegance and tranquility. A lifestyle of balance, serenity, and timeless style. The Courtyard Garden Oasis represents more than a design feature, it embodies a lifestyle centered on balance and serenity. Such spaces restore perspective, encouraging slower living and deeper appreciation for simple joys, morning coffee among blooms, quiet evenings with gentle breezes, or conversations under soft lighting. They create continuity between home and nature, reminding inhabitants of timeless values, peace, harmony, and beauty that lasts beyond passing trends. In this way, the Courtyard Oasis becomes a living symbol of graceful living, nurturing both body and soul while elevating the home into a sanctuary that feels elegant, timeless, and restorative. Begin your journey to a harmonious garden oasis. As the vision of a courtyard garden oasis takes shape, the promise of timeless harmony and elegant indoor-outdoor living becomes clear. In a world filled with distractions, such spaces provide grounding, inviting daily rituals of peace and renewal. From lush greenery to flowing water and thoughtful design, each element adds purpose and beauty. The courtyard becomes not just a feature, but a way of living where elegance and serenity meet. For those inspired to create such sanctuaries, now is the moment to embrace the journey. Subscribe, like, and share thoughts in the comments to continue exploring inspiring design. As this exploration of the 2025 Courtyard Garden Oasis comes to a close, the vision of creating timeless harmony through seamless, elegant indoor-outdoor living shines clearly. From lush greenery and calming water features to thoughtful design that balances beauty with serenity, every element transforms a home into a restorative sanctuary. Thank you so much for spending this time with Decor Essence. If this inspired new ideas for your own home, please subscribe for more design inspiration, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned and discover even more ways to elevate everyday living.